Guys, today I want to show you how to use Lovable AI to build landing pages and websites. But before you continue, not to forget to subscribe to our channel. So go to lovable.dev and log in with your account. As you see here, I'm already in my dashboard. In the left side, click on Home, and in the prompt field here, type in, for example, build me sales landing page for my shoe product, and hit enter. This prompt will help us send you a beautiful landing page of Lovable AI. It's a landing page dedicated to sales. You can use this in ClickBank, Digistore, or any other landing page platforms to promote your product. So this is it, guys. It is Lovable just getting ready to prepare our final output. And the landing page is being processed here. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you forgot